Friends, I am going to tell you on this video about the first chapter of 12th class, which is named as you can see in the NCERT of class 12th, electrical charges and fields. Okay, so I'm going to proceed here, but the briefing of the previous classes is must there. So I'm going to explain you what we have understood in the last classes of 11th. As I told you in the 11th class that there are four natural forces in the nature. One is, as you know, gravitational forces, and was present in the chapter of gravitation of 11th class, as you can see in the NCERT. And I told you about the various laws of the Kepler's and universal laws of gravitations and various things, satellite motions and escape velocity, etc. And the remaining three forces, which I told you earlier, was the electrical forces, magnetic forces, and the nuclear forces, which was the part of 12th class syllabus. So I will proceed from the starting of the 12th class. 12th class starting would be start with the electrical forces in the nature. And what is the electrical forces? I will explain you in the copy also, but the previous briefing in this video is required, so I am telling you. As you know, there are so many kind of natural forces. Gravitational forces holding the various planets, satellites, and so many galaxies are attracted towards by the gravitational forces, in the detail. But what are the electrical forces? Electrical forces are something which arises always from the atom. As you know, in the chemistry, atom is the smallest part of the every substance. As you know, atom consists of three particles mainly. The nuclear part, nucleons, which are mainly neutrons and protons. Protons are positive charge, and neutrons are neutral. The mass are equivalent of both. I told you the various thing, from the since ninth class, you know that. The main thing is that the electrical force is coming from where? I am telling you the deep knowledge of that. That deep knowledge starts from the atom. Atom is the main source, is the main, you can say, the birthplace of the electrical forces. I will explain you later, and you will enjoy that party. But the one thing should amazed you. What is the birth? If anyone asks to you, suppose, what is the birthplace? What is the birthplace of the electrical forces? Because there are four natural forces. I told you earlier, so I am repeating one more time. I am starting the 12th class physics